Hello, everyone. This is Keith Jackson with another anchor chart regarding fractions. We're going to be doing a whole series of just all about fractions, 40 to 50 anchor charts, just talking about all manner of fractions, how to perform operations and those kinds of things. We're going to begin with this one where we're going to actually subtract a fraction from a whole number. And many students get stuck here because they wonder, how do I take a fraction from a whole number? Well, the answer is simple. The whole number actually has parts. And how do we know that the whole number has parts? Well, because the denominator will tell us how many parts there are in each of those items in the whole number. Like if, we have 3 right here, there are 3 items right here. And with that said, each of those items, and in this case, each of these rectangles has 8 sections or 8 parts. And so I'm just going to repeat the definition right here to really help us build an understanding of how to subtract a fraction, again, from a whole number. The denominator is the key to subtracting fractions. The denominator tells us the number of parts in a given object. Right here, we have 3 rectangles. And we know that the 3 rectangles have 8 parts. Each rectangle has 8 parts. And we have a nice visual to show us that. And so with that in mind, we can rename 3 in several different ways. And so we can say that 3 is equal to 2 plus 1. And we can also say that 3 is equal to 2 plus 8/8. And you're probably asking, okay, if you're confused right here, let me just kind of talk about this for a brief moment. When the numerator and the denominator are the same, it is actually equal to 1 whole. And we can see that right here, we can see 1, 2, 3. And the third object, again, has 8 parts like the others do. And so we can actually say that 3 is equal to 2 plus 8/8. And then right here, where we can also say then that 3 is equal to 2 and 8/8. And this is what we can use as our replacement for the number 3. So we can carry on the operation of subtracting that fraction from a whole number. And so we'll just simply go ahead and subtract the numerators. We'll subtract the numerators by saying that, hey, 8 take away 3 will give us 5, and we just bring down the denominator. And as you notice, the denominator will stay in this position. Okay, and so because the denominator, the whole story centers around the denominator, especially when it comes to adding or subtracting fractions. And of course, we bring down the 2, and our answer is now 2 and 5/8. This would be a great time to take in the visual, to take notes. But in the meantime, please like and subscribe to Jackson's Math Notebook. And until next time, have a great day. Goodbye.